my mind. All I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fabulous. And today we are gonna have a song reaction. A lot of you did mention this one in the comments, so I have my expectations on sky high. I hope this is a good one. It's called Aya Sher lyrical video, The Paradise, from the movie Paradise. We did check out the teaser, glimpse something of Paradise. I do remember that. This is starring, let's just go through the description. Presenting the first single, Aya Sher from The Paradise, starring Nani and others. Directed by Shrikant Udela. Music composed by Anirudh. Cool. Anirudh, there it's gonna be good. Lyrics, Kasarla Shyam. Vocals, Adula, Jangi Reddy and Arjun Chandi. Okay, composer is Anirudh. Cast, natural star Nani, Sonali Kulkarni and others. So they are the ones. Writer, director Shrikant Udela. Let's go for it now. I hope we have covered every one of them who is important. I've turned on the captions. Here we go.
Perfect gift for your loved ones. Sarigama Karwa
Sarigama?
Mini.
Who's coming? Oh shit, his hair is braided both sides. And he's got the feast ready. He got the drums. He doesn't want to get his hair on the food, that's why it's braided. Jumbalike. Energy is high. Aya Sher. The vibes high. So colorful. By the way, happy Holi in advance. Hey! Feet is feeting right now. It's crazy whatever he's doing. The ankles, the knees, everything will hurt. Wow. We're gonna make up that move. Yo, the hair dance. That was necessary. Real star, natural star, yeah, both. Nani, The Paradise. The colors also very vibrant. And Anirudh musical, it's heavy, guys. We're going animation now. Nanida. Dum dum. Jumbalike Aya Sher. The Sher is coming. He got the poor deer. Everybody loves him. on the streets. He just got them a biryani. That's a trap. Oh, yo, shit! Oh, he's got the horns. It goes with the nose strings. Oh, the move again. Oh. Even I can do that. Shaitan. You know who's coming? It's Sher himself, Nani, coming with his new song at the new movie Paradise. The overall aesthetics of this whole thing, the music video, definitely seemed like it's gotta be a paradise, right? Animation is also animating, the dance is also dancing. Nani has not compromised with his moves. He knew what he was doing, and it just seemed very seamless the way he was moving his feet. Even though my knees, my ankles, my back, everything was hurting, but it's just fabulous. But overall, when it comes into the picture as a great dance move, that is it. And the other one, the hair one. But it looks good on him because he has braided. I have not braided yet. Maybe I should. I should choose the Nani hairstyle now. All the chicks, come on, we can do the Nani because we got hair. So we should. And the Paradise, Anirudh, composer, I hear you. We got the drums, we got something upbeat. We wanted people to dance, we wanted Nani and his fans to dance. That would happen. Because it's a song that is like, you know, Sher is coming, he's got to hunt his prey. We got a scene of the deer running and the Sher just got him. Nani is coming into the pictures just like that with the mentality of a Sher. But the lion is also the king of the jungle, right? He is well respected. That's the reason why you saw the people were also celebrating him. So he does look like somebody who pleases a lot of people. He got them food, and I think he's a nice guy in this film. But he also has his wild personality, which is probably colorful, right? Like everyone has different sides, which is more what you will get to see while you probably watch the film. Paradise. Is it truly paradise or not? Let's wait for the movie or upcoming songs or scenes or whatever that we can get more into this, right? Let's anyway check out some of the comments and end this. If I start talking, I just don't stop. Just realize my mouth is hurting. Understand 0% vibe, 100% fire. Anirudh fans in Tamil Nadu, heart for Anirudh, and the entire team was, like, you know, worked on this music. Understanding is definitely 0%, like the person he himself said, because the lyrics were in Telugu, right? So it's not easy to understand, and there was no translations as well. So whatever we understood was understood through the video itself. And that was a good experience because we were able to pay more attention to the dance moves and his costume and everything else overall. And we got the main theme that Sher being Nani is coming. That's all. That's all we need to know. Morning Nundi song Kusam wait chesine valu like iskondi. I think whoever waited for the song since morning like the video. I'm understanding a little bit of Telugu because of the like, morning. There's some English words here and there. That step was a blast. That I liked it too, guys. Paradise blockbuster button. I'm checking on the button. If you agree, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Nani fans, comment down your favorite dance move or scene from this movie. What more are you expecting, and are you excited? Any Telugu Anirudh Ravichandran fans, I'm sure a lot of Anirudh fans would be here. And Anirudh, no matter which music video, which movie, the one that's like a blockbuster movie that's coming out, he's always there in every one of them. That's huge. Who are watching at Feb 27th? नहीं यार मैं तो मार्च को देख रही हूँ. तो ये फेब को आया था ना, तो कुछ few days here and there, it's fine. You guys know me, I'm like this. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one, which is probably gonna be a fight scene. Yeah. So let's watch it. Bye.
Nothing